Okay, so we have a bit of an unboxing, I guess, today. We've got the Tough Armor Contractors rack for the TF2. I also picked up some shackles, the TERAFLEX. See the part number right there. That's how it comes. I think there's some instructions in here. And then I also got the side decals. There's the part number for that. Focus. There we go. Alright, let's do the unboxing. Alright, got decals. It looks like some Velcro straps in there. Screws. See that? Alright, well, looks like they wrapped this up pretty good. Let's just get rid of that. So there you have it, the contractor's rack. Pretty beefy. Doesn't look too bad at all. Nice and sturdy, good thickness. Part number for this one, the RC4WD drive's part number is Z-C0038. Got this from my local hobby shop, which is Action Hobby here in Calgary, and can't wait to put it on. Okay, well, here's the TF2. The build continues. Just gonna set it in right now just to see how it looks. Wow, totally different. Look, that's pretty snazzy. See the flat ends on there. Just go right in the bottom. Don't know if that's gonna happen. And we'll get it bolted in. I think I might get a topper for it too. I'm not too sure, but